Welcome to our channel, subscribe and hit the like button. The Beijing BJ2022 is a rugged off-road vehicle produced by Beijing Automobile Works (BAIC), a subsidiary of the Beijing Automotive Industry Holding Company Limited. It is commonly referred to as the BJ2022 or simply Beijing Jeep. The BJ2022 draws inspiration from the iconic Jeep vehicles and showcases a robust and utilitarian design suitable for various challenging terrains and demanding environments. It was developed primarily for military and government applications, but it has also gained popularity among off-road enthusiasts and adventure seekers. Exterior-wise, the BJ2022 features a boxy and muscular appearance, reminiscent of classic Jeep models. It has a high ground clearance, a tough and durable body structure, and a distinctively rugged and functional design. The vehicle's sturdy construction enables it to withstand harsh conditions and navigate through challenging off-road obstacles. The BJ2022 is available in different body configurations, including a 2-door variant and 4-door variant, providing flexibility in terms of passenger and cargo capacity. The 4-door version offers more seating space, making it suitable for both civilian and military applications. Under the hood, the BJ2022 typically features a range of diesel engines. The engine options may vary depending on the specific model and market, but they are designed to provide ample torque and power for off-road driving. The BJ2022 is often equipped with a 4-wheel drive system to enhance its off-road capabilities, allowing drivers to tackle various terrains with confidence. The interior of the BJ2022 focuses on functionality and durability. It offers a spacious cabin with robust and utilitarian materials. The seating is designed to provide support and comfort during off-road adventures. Depending on the variant, the BJ2022 may come with additional features such as air conditioning, power windows, and an infotainment system. Although the emphasis is primarily on ruggedness and functionality rather than luxury. If you are a car enthusiast and you love to travel in your favorite car, you can't be without a refrigerator. Yes, this interesting device allows you to keep different things. It has different modes: cooling, freezing, and deep freezing. Same with the big refrigerators. If you open this small gadget refrigerator, then the lighting will be on. This mini refrigerator can bring your cold drinks in the summer. It's also very light and easy to carry, so enjoy! For more information, click the link below.